Well, good morning, and it's Sunday morning here, and I've been busy, but I'm with my gorgeous daughter-in-law, who probably doesn't think she looks gorgeous at the moment, so I'm not going to put her on there. But we're just popping into a little local farmer's market bags. We need bags. That's my little train going past. So this is an area I can walk to, but I haven't today, as well as drive to, catch the train to. It's about as easy as it gets, really. Right, now we're off. Easy.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know it is just my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
And this is where I am today. I am about to just keep doing what we were doing a bit yesterday, which was moving. But my son and his wife, they have their bed up, and it's all about getting the place just nice and livable. Looks chaotic, doesn't it? But they have cupboards, they have things, and by the end of it, night designs will have kicked in. And my son is just as bad as me.
Most importantly,
he brought his doings. There we go.
anyone can find.
Ta-da!
Double stack.
Of course.
Of course.
Pencils.
Beautiful.
One must have colouring
Good choice of
pencils.
life.
Honestly.
These aren't colouring in, these are architectural.
Sorry, architectural
devices.
essentials for my
Absolutely.
young architect son. Okay, I will show you bits and pieces along the way. Right now it's all about plugging in the fridge so that can start, and we'll get this cleaning momentum underway. I'm actually on the way home now, but hence my indicators going clicky click. But I thought you might like to see the sun on the hillside. Something nice about late evening sun, even on a day with cloudy skies. It just looks great. So I'm heading for home. I'm going to make some chicken curry for dinner. I'm home. I've popped washing on, and I'm using my pressure cooker to make a chicken curry, which will be, I've resorted to one of these, a Patak's chicken masala paste. Used half a jar, and I've got it in with some big chunky bits of carrot and onion and some frozen cauliflower that I had, because this is a meal in a hurry. Well, not in a hurry, but I'm too tired to go to the shops and do anything else, and I've spent the day cleaning and moving, so I'm really not up to much else. So that's all going in there. This is my wooden, like a small plank, isn't it? My and a nice wooden stirrer, which is lovely. Doesn't scratch the lining of the pot. Now, I'm not actually particularly keen on these sorts of linings, but as long as you don't break them by scratching them, they're okay. And it is what it is at the moment. So there we go, that's vegetables in. As I say, I use one of these. I'll grab a can of tomatoes. I've just done some washing up. Icky chicken sitting there. I'm not very good at raw things. In my messy pantry, I have cat food. I have this. Oh, for goodness sake, I've got to get in here, guys. This is driving me insane. It's sort of wretched cat food and stuff. Do I have any tomatoes? Please let me have tomato. I do. Hallelujah. 1 can of tomatoes diced, apparently. That will go in as well. Yes, I'm gabbling now. I'm really tired. This is my bag of the things that I've just chopped up. So this is the trimmings from the carrot and the onion and some celery I had the other day. And what it does is it lives in the freezer. And when it gets pretty full, I use it to make stock with. So that's my stock bag. I make it with some chicken, throw in a couple of chicken carcasses, or just do vegetable stock. And by the time this bag is full of all the bits I would normally throw in the rubbish bin, it's better for everybody, and that's a good frugal tip. There will be lots more of those coming. But right now I'm just going to get on with doing this. I'm going to add some of this, which is just a tomato paste. Why is my autofocus not autofocusing? There we go, just tomato paste. That's going in next, and then I'll put the chicken in, and I'm not browning it because obviously it's going in last. And I'll make sure there's enough water in there. I'll use some stock, and yes, and after that I will put the lid on and let it cook. Here we go. So I've got the chicken in there. I haven't browned it, which probably I would have done normally, but just today I will do this. I've got, what did I do? I added a bit of chicken. See, I'm absolutely brain dead. I added, so I've got onions, carrots, cauliflower. I could put some potato in there, which I'm tempted to do. I think I've got enough water in there. I added some stock. I've got a can of tomatoes as well as the tomato paste. I turn it off. Right, I then select pressure. I then select, whoops, I put the lid on. The lid on, the right thing's in the right place. Okay, lid's on, everything's on. Okay, see, I'm still learning with this. So yes, I'm doing that. Now I just have to do time. How long shall I do it for? I suspect, whoops, wrong way. I think I like the chicken to fall apart, so I think I'll do it for 30, which is probably too long, but I really like chicken to be almost like shredded chicken. So I'm going to hit the go, and then I can go and sit down. Dinner is made. How easy is that? Thank goodness sometimes for convenience things like jars of tikka masala paste in the refrigerator waiting to be used. This is me being my most random. Apologies all round, but I thought better to have something that I could put up. I'm busy wiping as I go. Better to have something that I can put up rather than nothing, because I know that you think I disappear on you, and I have been, but oh man. Right, so now I will go and take out the washing out of the washing machine, put all the cleaning cloths back and put them through. That can be done, and yes, then I'm going to sit down. It's going to be a weird sensation today. I will show you what my son's place looks like when it's finished, which it's a bit squeezy, but it's in a perfect spot, and it's really nice. I can walk to it. Not that I'll do that a lot, but I can walk there and catch the train home. It's on the same train line, and that's really fun. It's got lots of lovely cafes and really, you know, good, wonderful organic food shops and things around it, so they decided to compromise on the size and go with location, which is sensible. They don't own it. They're saving for their own home. When it's finally sort of sorted out, I'll take you through and show it to you, because it'll be cozy. It'll be a really nice place for them to live. I'm going to finish now, stop rambling on, and go and sit down, probably watch some YouTube. How about that for a bit of fun? Here we go. That is the meal complete. And yes, I'm eating off a tray. We all know we're so tired. But I just served it with some chicken, and that's the very tomatoey, vegetable-y chicken tikka masala, which I have tasted, and it tastes very, very nice. I hope that whatever you're doing, you're having a lovely day. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a wave, say hello in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.